flowers.
Oh my
God! Cute. I can't remember what that was for though.
Oh my gosh, hindi. Alam ko, naalala ko yung mga si AC. When you guys started putting that,
Yeah.
diba they were like all wearing red. Yung ano tayo, luto ng food.
Nakaano sila.
Yung potato tornado ni Esther.
Yes.
Uy, nakakamiss naman yan.
Cute naman.
Yung cute.
You look like a giraffe. Diba may ganun ng giraffe?
Yeah.
Diba? Yeah, diba?
Grabe, oh. What?
I look like a chihuahua.
Yeah.
Na
That's cute.
mahaba yung buhok sa tenga.
Si Garden pa yan, eh. Wow.
Good old day.
First few weeks pa lang yan.
Oo.
First few weeks. Diba?
Oh my God! Oh my God! You know, 04, throwing up the peace sign since 04. Yeah. I love the peace sign. Yun talaga yung number one pose ko pag magpipicture.
Wow.
Kita mo
So
naman.
like a white baby.
I was a white baby.
You were like 4 years old.
I was 4 in that
What?
picture.
Buti nga nalala mo
With
ba?
the micro bangs. Oh my God! Mom! Oh my gosh! It's giving, baby. Oh!
What will this ko yan?
Ang straight ng hair mo.
Oo nga, no? Grabe. Uy, hindi ako nagpakulot pero... Oh my gosh. I still remember that day, oh. Kasama dyan sila, Miss Cherry Pie. Catchy.
There we go.
Oo. Oh, that's...
So
memories.
cute.
Grabe.
Alam mo, di pa ako nag-artista, napapanood kita. Kawaii.
What? Oh. Child actor ko yun ah.
Ha? Not child, teen.
Ati. Sorry. Pero veteran.
No, ikaw talaga. Hindi talaga. Next. What's that?
Uy! When they met
Okay.
inside. The co-love.
Yeah.
Co-love.
Co-love.
Ayun tayo. Tinan mo ngayon, oh, di ba?
Co-love
Co-
to everybody
co-love
in this
everybody
room
here.
is...
Yeah. This was inside the house, no? Yeah. And
Yeah.
this where you know, like, you know what? Something big is gonna happen.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Ah.
Oh, parang siyang class photo.
Oh, this day was crazy.
Oh my God.
Grabe araw
Tell
yan.
me about it. Buong araw kami niyan. Tapos
araw.
sobrang layo ng ng
The
location niya.
Nakatakot, oo.
Oo.
Zigzags and full of trucks.
And it was raining pa.
Oo.
Sobrang maputik.
It was in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Hirap ng day na yan. And it was really hot.
Yeah. Ano yan? Workshops.
Nung workshop.
Workshops
Tapos
sabay yung
promos and then
Oo.
grabe day na yan, oo. Kaya, buti nga at least mukha
Diba?
tayo fresh dyan, no?
Dyan.
Paano?
They gave us time to get
Yeah.
fixed up. Oo.
Oh, that was
Cute
crazy.
though. Looks like class photo.
Yeah.
Ha.
Takas.
Mhm. That's when I got out. Oh my God. Jen.
Ay, grabe, pinapa-throwback niya naman. Mag-relapse na naman ako yan. Hindi na! Ano tayo dyan ah? Kailangan ko mag-water it. Balikan natin ulit yun. Hindi na!
Makalaya.
Yan tayo.
Tawag mo ko bawat gabi.
Wala na makikita.
Ha? Message sa fandom. Kisses, I love you so much. No matter how many times I tell you that, it will never be enough. Thank you from
Oo.
the bottom of our hearts for all of your love and support, yung effort nyo. Grabe kayo, you always show up.
Grabe na kayo, Kiss. Wherever we go.
As
Kaya lang-
in, umabot kayo ng Puerto Galera.
Oo.
Ng
When we went to Davao ba yun?
Dav-
Hindi na surprise?
Davao or Iloco? No.
Not Ilocos. Where did we go that time?
Basta meron kaming like out of town.
Every time we have an out of town, bigla kami surprise ng Kiss.
Yeah,
We were like,
super.
Dito ka?
Nasa airport pa lang, nandun na rin
Oo.
sila. Like, did you know what time our flight was? Oh my God, that's crazy.
Grabe yun. As in.
But thank
Bacolod as well. Yung Bacolod
Bacolod.
tayo. Oo.
Yes.
Grabe.
Thank
We
you,
love you
kisses.
guys.
Love you, kisses for you.
Hindi ko to. Teka, para sa
Ha?
Oh, puno na, ano ko siya. Ayan, Kish, eto na. We have a movie together.
This is it, guys.
And grabe, as in, I can't wait to watch this. I'm so excited for the premiere night. And sana nandun rin kayo. Ako, sure ako nandun kayo.
We know that you will be there and we are excited
Oo.
to see you there.
Kahit kung saan pa yung premiere namin, alam namin nandun kayo. Kaya, thank you guys so much. And can't wait. Sana magustuhan niyo yung movie namin. And I'm sure you guys will. Kasi, it's an amazing story. At, alaman niyo kung sino talaga yung mga characters namin dito. And, yeah. Super excited for you guys to watch it.
Sana matapos.
Sana matapos. Ay, magdala kayo ng kasama niyo, ha?
Yes.
Oo. Kung mag-isa kayo, okay lang rin. If basta nakakatakot, so pwede kayo, kung crush mo, pwede kayo mag-hug niya.
Yan naman siya. Yan na naman.
Kaya naman yun. Watching a different content. Alright. Ibang may chocolate sa teeth ko, ah.
Okay. Timer starts now.
Wait.
So ba mag-blow?
Don't.
Ay! Hindi ako nakapag-blink na maayos. Ay, ilaw nandito. Yung ilaw nandito eh.
It's burning! It's burning!
Ganda.
Uy, iyak na ako!
Ingat ako. Huwag kang iiyak.
Huwag kang iiyak. I can't. Naiiyak na ako!
Ba't nasakit na na?
Ha?
Nasakit na saan?
Oh, yeah, that does hurt.
Okay,
Ah.
43 seconds.
Ilaw nandito oh.
Kaya nga
Oh, ayun yung ilaw.
Oh, wait.
Diba?
Mahirap.
Ilaw nandito.
That was fun, that was fun.
Thank you.
Number 1. Sino po ang pinaka-foodie or gutumin?
Oh yeah.
Ito talaga.
Alam ko yan.
Like,
Foodie.
ako, I thought I was a foodie and then I met Josh. Oh my God.
Walang
Definition of foodie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love food.
Ayaw. May ganun ba?
I don't think so. Hindi naman selfish si Josh
oh.
in that sense. He does share his food naman. I think he eats anything naman. Wag lang oysters. Wag
Oof.
lang, not the oysters.
Di, pero-
not the raw seafood.
I'd love
Ayaw
to
niya.
eat naman, like, to try food. Pero,
In fairness, nagtatry siya.
yung
He
raw
tries.
oyster, oh my God.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Pero kung baked, kaya mo.
Kung bake kaya nga.
Kung baked.
Okay, pila naman. Yung pinaka... Ay, tama. Sino yung pinaka-babat sa po?
Ay, si Kira.
Me. Wala, baba talaga ako sa IG. I love to scroll.
Oo.
At sa TikTok din. Yes, yes.
Ano yung madalas na content pinaka?
Ano nga ba? Ano nga ba?
Mga edits.
Kasi, ano ba?
Sino? No! Ikaw talaga?
Ano siya?
No. Bakit?
Tinitiktok.
Sino ang pinaka...
Sean. Sino? Uy, di naman ako
Josh.
tikon. Tikon ba ako? Ikaw yung Oy,
Yes, you
tikon si
are.
Kira.
No, you are
Me?
Picon.
No,
Yes,
hindi
because
ka na.
you're so competitive.
Oy, di naman.
Do you
It's okay
remember
naman.
that time when we did Family Feud? And I took your place. Ramdam na ramdam yung giggle mo na.
Wait, kailan?
Family Feud.
Dito
Diba?
pa place? Ay,
Yeah.
yung sa bitter?
Diba, I won the round,
Yeah.
and then you were standing on the red thing, and then nag-spin ng dice, red din yung lumabas, so nagpalit tayo.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was ano? Rainbow Rumble.
Ha?
Oo.
Ano yung sabi ko?
Family Feud.
Ang ina. Uwi na tayo? Tayo.
Yeah, really.
I am so sorry. Take 2. Sa Rainbow Rumble kasi.
yeah. Take 1 yun eh.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Alam mo yung, that game was not on my side.
It wasn't on our side
It
at
wasn't,
all. Talaga.
sabi ko, andito na ako.
Diba? It's not
Kasi,
on us.
Hindi siya nag-sense yun. Pero, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Nakakayak naman. Bait niyo ako ulit doon. G
Oh,
pa rin
di ba,
ako.
Picon?
I'll get my revenge.
Sino yung makakalimutin sa'yo?
Yeah, but maybe.
Yeah, it's, you know,
Forget stuff.
signs of aging.
Oh, yeah.
Signs of aging? Oh my God, no, that was a joke, Hindi ko marami mo offense, sorry po.
Okay. Sino po ang pinakamahalaga?
Kira.
You think?
Oh, yeah. Sobrang lagi.
Sabi niya eh, wala eh.
Wow! O hindi, sobrang lagi ni Kira. Kahit nga sa, even on set, alam mo na yun.
Ha?
Yung ako nasabihin.
Pero sila hindi nila alam.
Wow.
Basta nalawa.
Yeah, she's very, as in, minsan nga hindi ko na siya kailangan tanungin yung glass ko, may water na. Tapos, pag gutom ako, yeah, sometimes she cooks me food.
No, he has this
On set.
favorite drink. And every time I would go to the convenience store, I would get that drink.
Yeah, oh, kasi sinusurprise na ako, kaya, sabi ko,
Lala. Love language. Huh?
gift giving.
Huh? Yeah, I guess.
Okay. During the filming po ng the movie, sino yung pinakamatatak?
Charlie.
Charlie,
Sobrang siya.
she's such a baby.
Oo, baby pa si
Yeah,
Charlie.
super.
It's so scared.
No?
She's so cute.
Oo.
Yeah.
Next. Sino?
Galante.
Parang wala naman sa siya.
Wow!
Pinakagalante? Si Josh Ward.
No, let's not you, bro. It's
Wala ko
not
naman sa
you.
Hindi, pinakagalante sa grupo.
Sa grupo.
Ayan.
No.
Bakit di na? Wala. Uy, parang pangit naman pakinggan pag wala.
Oo nga.
I don't know. Yan, hindi ko pa alam sa group na.
Hindi.
Si
kasi
ano?
hindi...
Si Miss Rose.
Yes.
Si Miss
yes.
Rose.
Siya na bahala sa amin talaga. Kaya wala
Oo.
kami masagot sa cast kasi
Grabe.
she's on it.
Yeah, she's on it. Di pa namin naisip na gusto namin pagdating. Ay,
Nandyan na.
andyan na.
Yes. Busog na busog kami kay
Yeah.
Super.
Masa naman po yung experience?
Fun. I
Yeah.
enjoyed. Despite, you know, having difficulties with the horror part, you know, kung saan ko huhugutin and stuff, I really enjoyed.
Super fun na night shift kami doon.
Yeah.
Oo, hindi kami day workers ng time na yun, night shift workers.
Ang saya nung
So,
call time namin, like mga 4 p.m.
Oo,
ganun,
pero
hanggang
tapos
4
namin.
a.m.
6 a.m.
Yeah,
7
yeah,
a.m.
yeah.
Pag sunset, yun na, call
Yun na,
time
start na.
Sunrise, alright, we're done.
Good night.
Oo. Please, what?
Okay, take two.
Sorry.
Please watch Huwag Kayo Titingin.
Please
No,
watch Huwag Kang Titingin. Guys.
Ready?
Okay.
5, rolling.
Please watch Huwag Kang Titingin, now showing.